Hello dear students, welcome back to EduHunt online teaching platform. At this section today, we are going to discuss about surface areas and volumes, which is a part of 9th class mathematics. So actually this is a test yourself number 3. In my previous class, already explained 1 to test yourselves questions. So let's get started. Question number 1 from test yourself 3. The radius and vertical height of a cone are 5 centimeters and 12 centimeters respectively. So respectively means what I mentioned, radius first. Next height. This is the radius 5 centimeters, height 12 centimeters. Find the curved surface area. So clearly we need to understand radius how much given? 5 centimeters. So height 12 centimeters. But question what I am asking, curved surface area of the cone. So curved surface area of the cone pi r L. So here L stands for what? So L stands for slant height. So clearly we need to understand. So this is a cone. Am I clear? So it is a radius, it is a height. Height means perpendicular line. So this is altitude in the right angle triangle. This is L, it is height, it is a R. But you don't know L value, only given a height and radius, 5 centimeters and 5 centimeters radius. Height how much given? Height equals to 12 centimeters. But question what I am asking? So curved surface area. So how to find the L? So we know L square equal to r square plus h square according to Pythagoras law. Already given that formula in my introduction class in surface area and volumes. So this is L square, but what is R value? 5, nothing but 5 square, height 12 square equal to L square. What is the total? 5 square value 25, 12 square value 144, total 169. So L square equal to 169, therefore L equals to 13. Therefore L equals to 13. Am I clear? So pi value 22 by 7, R value already given 5, so L value 13. Am I clear? Question what I am asking? Curved surface area. So clearly we need to notice that. So 25 2s are how much? 22 5s are, sorry, 22 5s are 110. 110 into 13. So 13 0, 13 1s are 13, 13 1s are 13 plus 1 14. 1430 by 7. So 7 2s are 0, 7 4s are 28, remainder 2 0. So 2 nothing but 2 0 means 4 2s are 14, remainder 608. So centimeters given, but curved surface area calculated in square centimeters. So 204.28 centimeters square is the required answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 2. The curved surface area of cone is 4070 centimeters square and its diameter is 70 centimeters. What is the slant height? So in that question, curved surface area of cone how much given? 4070 centimeters square. And its diameter nothing but d equals to 70 centimeters. What is the radius? Half of the diameter, nothing but 35 centimeters. So but question what I am asking, slant height nothing but L. So clearly we need to verify it. So curved surface area equals to formula pi RL. So curved surface area 4070 centimeters square. Pi value 22 by 7, R value 35, L value asking at final. So 5 7 1s are 7 5s are. So cancellation 7 1s are 7 5s are. Again 5 1s are 5 8s are 0, 5 1s are 5 4s are. Again 11 table 11 7s are 11 4s are 11 2s are. What is L value? Therefore L equals to 2 1s are 237s are. Then answer is 37 centimeters. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 3. A sector of a circle of radius 15 centimeters has an angle 120 degree. It is rolled up so that two boundary radii are joined together to form a cone. Find the volume of the cone. So clearly we need to understand what I am given, sector of a circle given, just like that. So this is a sector of a circle. So in that sector angle how much given? 120 degrees. Radius, sector contains two radius and this is called L. L stands for length of the arc. Here this is the L stands for length of the arc. Length of the arc. So L, okay. So firstly 15, radius already given 15 centimeters. So it can be rolled up so that two boundary of radius, just like that. So it can be joined together. It is make a So if it is rolled up so that two boundary radii are joined to form a cone. Just like that. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand. So here length of the arc. First one we need to find the length of the arc. So what is the length of the arc formula? L equals to theta by 360 degree into length of the arc 2 pi r. It is a one part in circumference of circle. So this is the formula. Length of the arc is to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So theta value you know that 120 degree by 360 into 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into, or you can directly write pi value. Okay na? Pi value, r value how much given? 15. So this is 0 0 cancel. 1 ja, this is 12 1 ja, 12 3 ja, 36, 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. So what you are getting? Length of the arc 10 pi. 10 pi is the L value. So L equals to 10 pi. So clearly we need to understand. So if it is rolled up as to two boundary radii are joined together to form a cone, nothing but here length of the arc will become a circumference of circle or base of the cone. So clearly we need to understand. So length of the arc becomes length of the arc circumference of circumference of circle, okay, circumference of cone. So circumference means circumference of circle of the cone. Am I clear? So if it is radii are joined, so nothing but it will become a circle shape. Nothing but here length equals to 2 pi r of the base of the cone. So base circle of the cone. Am I clear? So here L equals to 2 pi r. L equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So here 2 pi r means so this is the circumference of circle. So clearly we need to understand. So here radius will become a slant height. So if it is joined two radius will become a slant height. So L equals to 15 centimeters. So radius will become a slant height. Am I clear? So radius will become a slant height. So radius of sector equals to slant height. Slant height of cone. Am I clear? So here length of the arc equals to circumference of the base circle of the cone. Am I clear? So first one we need to find height. You don't know height here. So and radius. So this is the radius of the cone. Height you don't know, only length. How will get radius? By using the length. Length equals to 10 pi. 10 pi equal to 2 pi r. 10 pi equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Pi cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So what is there for r equals to 5 centimeters. So according to pi, you know that r value and L value. So how will get height of the cone? So by using the Pythagoras law, this is a right angle triangle. Am I clear? L square equal to r square plus h square. L square equals to r square plus h square. So L value 15 square equals to r square, r value 5 square plus h square. So 15 square 225 equal to 5 square 25 plus h square. Therefore h square equals to 225 minus 25 200. H square equals to 200. Therefore h can be written as root over 200. So root 200 nothing but 10 root 2. So 2 into 100 square root 10 root 2. So what is h value? How will get h value? H equals to 10 root 2. 10 into root 2. Root 2 value 1.414. 10 into 1.414 into 10 nothing but 14.14. That is the height. Height equal to 14.14. But question what I am asking in that question, volume of the cone. Volume of the cone equals to 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3 into what is the pi value? Pi value you don't know, 22 by 7 taken. 22 by 7 into r square. R square nothing but r value 5, 5 into 5, height value 14.14. Am I clear? So according to cancellation, 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 0 7 2s are. So 22 into 5, 22 into 5, 110, 110 into 5, 550, 550 into 2.02 whole by 3. So 550 into 2.02, what is total? Clearly we need to notice that 510 into 0.22 nothing but 550 into 2.02, 0, 10, 11. Am I clear? Again 0, 0, 0. Next one 0, 0, 1, 1. What is total? 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Point taken after 2 places. 4 ones. So 4 ones by 3. So 3 how many is 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. I remember 2 1. 7 ja. 0.33. 370.33 centimeter cube. Because volume calculated in cubic centimeters. Cubic units actually, but radius height centimeters given. That's why I'm taking cubic centimeters. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 4. A right triangle with sides 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters is rotated about the side of 3 centimeters to form a cone. Find the volume of the cone so formed. Am I clear? So what I'm given, right triangle with side 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters is rotated about the side of 3 centimeters to form a cone. Find the volume of the cone so formed. So clearly we need to understand so here what I am given the measures right triangle in that cone right triangular already appears. This is right angle triangle. So measures how much given 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Am I clear? So because what I am taken height 3 because clearly we need to understand it can be rotated about the side of 3 centimeters just like that. It can be rotated about 3 centimeters. Am I clear? To form a cone. So question what I am asking, volume of the cone. Volume equals to 1/3 pi r square h. So clearly we need to verify a right triangular with sides 3, 4, 5. So here which one is a maximum side 5 centimeter? It is a hypotenuse. So remaining 4 or 3. But why I am taken height 3? So clearly we need to understand is rotated. That particularly the triangle rotated about the side of 3 centimeters to form a cone. Just like that. So question what I am asking, volume of the cone. 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 into pi value. 22 by 7 r value. So pi value directly can write pi. Okay na? R value. So here 4 r nothing but this is a radius. It is a height. It is a slant height L value. Am I clear? So r nothing but 4 into 4 into height. Height equals to 3. 3 3 cancel. So 4 4 is 16 into pi. 16 pi is the required answer. Am I clear? Okay, let us continue for 5th question. If a cylinder of radius 0.7 centimeters and height 2 centimeters is removed from a solid cone of radius 1.4 centimeters and height 6 centimeters, what is the volume of the remaining portion of the cone? So clearly we need to understand, but here cylinder is removed from cone. So first one we need to calculate volume of the cone minus volume of cylinder is called volume of the remaining portion. So here clearly we need to understand. So what I am given cylinder clearly cylinder radius how much given? So cylinder radius equals to 0.7 centimeters. Also it can be written 7 by 10 centimeters and height equals to 2 centimeters given. And it is removed from cone. So cone radius how much given? So cone radius 1.4 centimeters, height 6 centimeters. But question what I am asking, volume of the remaining portion. So volume of the remaining equals to, so volume of cone minus volume of cylinder. So this is the required answer. Am I clear? So volume of remaining equals to volume of cone minus volume of cylinder, because cylinder is removed from cone. So what I am taken first, volume of cone minus volume of cylinder. So volume of cone formula 1/3 pi r square h minus volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. So that is a difference. Am I clear? So volume of the remaining equals to volume of cone minus volume of cylinder. But here volume of cone radius 1.4 centimeters, it is also written as 14 by 10 centimeters. So 14 by 10, 1/3 into pi value directly can write pi. So radius 1.4 given, 1.4 can be written 14 by 10. So 14 by 10 into square, nothing but r square, nothing but it can be written twice, into height. So height of the cone how much given? 6 centimeters minus, so pi into here r stands for what? Radius of the cylinder 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. Height how much given? Height equals to 2 centimeters. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand this is 3 1s, 3 1s, 3 2s. Am I clear? Here, so 14 into 14, 196, 196 double, 196 into double. What is the value? 392. So 392 whole by 100, nothing but point taken after two places, pi minus here 7 7s 49, 49 double 98 by 100. So it can be written next step. So 392 by 100 pi minus it can be written 7 7s 49, 49 double 98 pi whole by 100. Am I clear? So 49 double 98 pi. So it can be written as, so 100 LCM, directly taken 100 LCM, 392 minus 392 pi minus 98 pi. What is the difference? Difference is 294 pi by 100. Am I clear? So by 100 means it will be written as 2.94 pi. This is the required answer. So point taken after two places, on the whole by 100. So this is a test yourself number 3 in surface areas and volumes of 3D mensuration. Am I clear? So remaining models I will continue in my next class. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.